Liz Kitchen, guys. Today I'm doing a very quick dish. I'm doing curry, but it's gonna be see, Thai red curry. So it's gonna be semi homemade. You know, weekdays you're busy and you have so much stuff doing that sometimes it's hard to find the time to cook a proper dinner. But I try my best. All right, just coming off the road and I'm rushing as we speak. All right, so I have some chives that I'm gonna be adding. I have an onion and I'm using Vidalia onion. I have some garlic there. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 cloves of garlic. I have celery that I'm cleaning up. I have this is zucchini that I'm also gonna be using, and I have some carrots. All right, and this is gonna be a quick red curry. I have chicken breast that I'm gonna be cutting up, and let's get into it right quick and fast and in a hurry. Just under 2 pounds of chicken breasts that I picked up as well in Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna just cut these up right quick and in a hurry. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna cut them on the bias. I won't even spend time to show you that video. I'm just gonna cut them as thin as I can on the bias, and then we start our cooking. All right, yes. So the thing about Trader Joe's chicken that I like is that them take some time and clean it as properly as them can, and so it not really have a extensive amount of cleaning I have to do. I washed it with vinegar, and the most of the silver skin is off, and now you see me cutting it on the bias like that. Now I don't like showing raw meat because everybody have them different arguments, regarding raw meat, but hey, I saw me I do it. All right, so maybe let's finish cut up this and then we'll move on to the next step, which is the actual cooking. Now this is one of those eats meat west type of dish, so I'm gonna add some ingredients right quick so that I can at least marinate my chicken while I cut up the vegetable then. And it's an Asian inspired curry, so all right, so I'm gonna start with some ground coriander. Yeah, let me see if I can get the autofocus. Yeah, all right, so I'm gonna start with some ground coriander, and this is just again to marinate my chicken. Maybe half of a teaspoon of ground coriander. I'm using some regular curry. Yeah, this is the original Jamaican mixture curry powder, as I said, east meet west. And that is just another teaspoon or so. Then I have some ground cumin, and cumin is a very good agent, guys. You can put cumin in anything to do with curry and them type of mixture there. All right, so I'm put some cumin, and my go-to garam masala is also gonna be added. I'm using a little bit of that, maybe quarter of a teaspoon, because I don't want everything to taste the same. My wife will tell me everything almost start to taste the same now. And me like it. All right, I have some turmeric here, and I'm gonna add some turmeric again, maybe about a quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric. Remember, I have a finishing sauce, so I don't need to overly add stuff. Garlic powder. Yeah, garlic powder. You can add as much as you want. I'm adding about a teaspoon. I have some ground crushed pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of that, not much, because I'm gonna add scotch bonnet afterwards. And then I'm gonna also add a little touch of complete seasoning. Now, I'm not a powdered seasoning person per se, but when you're doing something as fast and as quick as I'm doing it, you want to make sure you season nice. I'm as well, me, I'm a Jordie's Kitchen, and I'm gonna add some of that. Now let me get some cooking oil. I'm just gonna add some cooking oil to this, and I'm using regular vegetable oil. Maybe about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. And you use that because you want the oil to help to amalgamate the seasonings, mix it in and make it go in at the chicken nicely. If you notice, me now add excessive amount of oil. Yeah, and you just want to stir this in and marinate this right quick. All right, so while this is being marinating, I'm gonna start working on my vegetables. All right, now I like how it look, but I also think it wants some more turmeric. I like when I something them my curry well curry, so add a little more turmeric. And remember, the turmeric is to your taste. You notice I don't add no salt. I'm not gonna add any salt until maybe at the last stage when I'm testing it out. All right, so let's get working on the vegetables. Now you have to stir fry this or else it's gonna stick. And you really want to get them separated from each other, and you don't want it to start boiling. If I had a wok, a Chinese wok, it would have come out nicer, but I don't have no wok, so what we have what we use. Dutchie me have, Dutchie we use. And you want to keep your heat on high. You don't want it come down after the high. You want it stir fry. If you do anything other than the high, it's gonna boil. Alright? Now this is where a lot of people will not do the same thing like I do, but I'm gonna add my garlic right quick. And just as the chicken start to get white, you know, or lose the pink, you gotta take them out. See? This is the part when a lot of people might not do it the same way I do. But have you ever been to the Chinese restaurant and the chicken is just so soft and nice and chewy? That's because them not overcook the chicken, and we generally do that. Especially with chicken breast. It have a tendency to dry out. So you want to take it out of the pot almost immediately. Alright? Now you see that this little flavor thing at the bottom of the pot, that's powerful and you want to keep that. Alright, so I'm going to put my chicken aside. I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil. Just a little bit more. And I'm going to add all my vegetables. Yes, sir. Now you want to stir fry your vegetables real quick. Yes, and I'm gonna add a little water to deglaze the bottom of my pan because I don't want that little thing there to burn, you see? And you don't want these vegetables to be to get too tender. You want the vegetable them to stand up nicely to the curry. You want the vegetable them to show up, you know. Right, look.
Airy.
You look airy. And all this time you're keeping your heat up. Yeah. See that? Quick and nice, you see. Keep the stir fry activity going, because a stir fry we say. A stir fry we say. Now if the chicken was in it while all of this is going on, you know what you end up with? Tough chicken. Yeah, you end up with tough chicken, you understand? And then the chicken have a broke up and all of that. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. You see me?
So when it is, so them both maintain them integrity.
Yes, the chicken soft and the vegetable crispy. You see?
Oh.
And then vegetables are really and truly finished already, you know. Let me add a little salt. Just a little salt. As you know, I didn't put any salt on the chicken. But the vegetable them need a little salt. I don't want it too fresh. Like rose water, as my mama would say. And you want to, I'm gonna add my garlic ginger paste. A little of my garlic ginger paste, maybe half of a tablespoon.
I swear that smells better and better as the days go by.
For real? Yeah. And then I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna add some Scotch bonnet. Pepper, not too much because the wife didn't like it. It's too hot. Yes, man. What's the no? It's a kick now, it's a kick. Now it's a kick like Van Damme. Watch out, I'll let the zucchini fly out of the pot. Come back in at the pot. She eat it. Alright, and now I'm going to add my finishing sauce. This is my Thai red curry sauce. Not too much.
Like how much?
Maybe about
2 tablespoons?
no, more, a little bit more than that.
Oh, it's so good.
Alright. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Now I'm going to add my chicken back to this. See there? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? And you're just gonna leave this to just do something for a couple minutes. No long time, no drawn out time. Just a couple minutes. You want more gravy, you add a little water. You know, stuff like that. Alright? And your age, and then, oh, me forget. I'm adding in my onions. And this is my daily onions, so them not be too cooked. And as soon as the onions them wilt, it's ready. You just mix them up, make the onion them separate. How that looks, see?
Lovely, lovely.
Yeah. Food ready. Remember me tell you that. And a quick and easy midday meal, guys. I promise you. Yardie belly, you know what? Enough for him. The last thing I'm gonna do now is just cut up some chives over it. And just wash them and just use my kitchen scissors and just cut up some chives. Yeah, food ready. Remember me tell you. So there you have it, guys, my Asian inspired curry chicken, you know, stir fried with zucchini and carrots and onions, and I serve it with some jasmine rice and some cucumbers, baby cucumber, you know. And I do hope, guys, that you will try this one. You know, if you have limited amount of meat or you don't want to consume a lot of meat, that's a good one. And if you have limited amount of time, it's a good one as well for a weekday or weeknight meal. Remember, guys, to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all those stuff. And if you definitely like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate all the positivity that comes my way. We don't really have time for the negativity. Once again, it's Taste Buds with yours truly, Saint Hope. And you're watching Yardie Belly TV on YouTube. Share it with your friends. And definitely look on out for another recipe coming your way.